All right, well, a good afternoon, everyone. It is Tony coming to you live from the Finish the Race car show here at Calvary Temple in Sterling, Virginia. I'm here with Hector Williams, the owner of this absolutely gorgeous 1966 big block Chevy Chevelle 502 three-stage nitrogen. Hector, thanks so much for bringing it out today, man.
You're welcome, man.
So tell me a little bit about the story of this car. It is beautiful, the paint, the motor, everything. Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, I got the car out in Clinton, Maryland in 2002. They had a small block in it, and I beat the car up a little bit. I redid everything in the car. You know, got a crate motor. It got a 400 turbo transmission and rotary cam. It's just been done all over, you know, so it's a beautiful car. I love it.
When you hear this thing, it will make your chest rumble, that is for sure. Now, tell me a little bit about the paint. The paint job is so unique, and you just got it repainted recently, right?
Yes, I had it painted like 2 years ago. A friend of mine's painted down here on 606. He did a wonderful job. It was black at first, and we tried to be a little bit creative. You know, I told him I wanted two-tone, so that's what he did.
It's beautiful. And tell me a little bit about the wheels as well. The wheels really set it off.
Okay, the wheels, they are 22s. I upgraded the wheels on. I did have racer slicks on it, and I decided to make it more of a show car instead of running up and down on drag strip.
Perfect. And last thing I'll ask you, if you had to pick one favorite part about this car, what would it be?
The sound. I love the, I have floor masters on it. 3 inch exhaust from the headers all the way back.
It is absolutely beautiful, and we can't thank you enough for bringing it out. We love having you here, and hope to see you again at many more Finish the Race car shows.
Yes, sir. I'm happy to be out here.
Thank you, Hector.